this will be kind of a review, kind of simpler, it's not so bad. Under fractions. A little subheading is changing mixed numbers to improper. Changing mixed to improper. I suppose we'll start with writing an example. Write 4 1/2 as improper. Seems to me like we've done this, but maybe that's a different class there. Usually, ladies and gentlemen, we don't like fractions as improper fractions. Matter of fact, the word itself, improper, seems like there's something wrong with it. And we spend a lot of our time changing improper. You know, if you have 15/2, we don't like that. We change that to a mixed number. That's just a division problem, right? It's 2 1/2. But today we're talking about how do I change, well, it's 7 1/2. How do I change this and go back to that? Because sometimes in math we need to make things improper, especially when we multiply or divide. So there's a helpful and a quite easy little process here. The first way is a way you don't want to use, but I'll do it. We're talking about this. We have 4 1/2 of something. So here's my 4. There's my half. Let me get rid of the top of it. Here's my 4 1/2. I can't quite get the. Here's my half. Okay, these are 4 1/2. If I want to change that into just a simple fraction, since this one was cut in half, I want to change all of my whole numbers so they're halves as well. So the question is, how many halves would that be? Well, how many halves do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 1/2 as an improper fraction is 9 halves, because we changed them into halves. But you really don't want to have to draw pictures every time you do this. So there's a pretty simple little process. We'll write it down so that everybody is happy with it. Let's say go back to 4 1/2. It's a 3 or 4 step process. Step number 1 is you multiply the whole number by this little guy down here, which we affectionately call the denominator. Multiply the whole number times the denominator. 4 times 2, and that gives me 8. Step number 2, once you do that, to this you add the numerator. 8 plus 1 is 9. That's step number 2. And then step number 3 is you keep the same bottom number. Keep the same denominator. Which means my bottom number is a 2, so in my new fraction it is a 2. It's a little bit simpler than drawing the pictures. 4 1/2 equals 9 halves as a improper fraction. And it's just that easy. You should be able to do it relatively flawlessly and easily. 8 2/3. If we follow our little algorithm, whole number times denominator. 8 times 3 is 24. To that 24, I add the top. 24 plus 2 is 26. And then I just keep the bottom number, 26 over 3. What if it was, I don't know, 13 2/3? 13 2/3 as an improper fraction Multiply 13 times 3, which is 39. Add the top, 39 plus a whopping 2 is 41, and make sure you keep the bottom number. 31 over 3. Do you think they're going to have any issues with that? I do like this silence, it's golden. It's very much a golden thing. We stop there? Here, while you got your little boards there, let me give you one and then you can just hold up your answer. 7 3/5. Your little whiteboards or whatever you draw with, change 7 3/5 to an improper fraction and tell me what you get. When you're finished, hold it up nice and high. Wish my eyes were that good. Again, multiply the whole number times the bottom, add the top, and keep the same bottom number. 7 times 7 3/5. You got this, Jordan, Sean. I think you're adding maybe wrong. Maybe you fell short in the adding thing. That's okay. Hang on. Sam, what's your follow the rules. What's the whole number times the bottom, sir? And add the top. Add the top. Same bottom. 5 on the bottom. There's your answer. There's nothing special about this. Special. If you don't get it, follow the simple procedure you hold them down. Most of you got it. Whole number times the bottom. 7 times 5 is 35. You then add the top to that. 35 plus 3 is 38. And your bottom number stays whatever it was when you started. 38 over